Good morning, Ryan from Saral. I'm going to show you a video. You can just watch it. See the crane. It has fallen inside the tiger's den. There are three tigers are there. The crane by accident it has fallen inside. There are three challenges the crane has to face. The three man-eaters, they are trying to attack the crane. They are taking position now, one by one. But the crane is not disheartened. It is very bravely and boldly facing the situation. This is how we should be when problems come to us. When the problem comes, it comes in a line, it comes in a chain. We should not succumb. We should stand up and fight. See how the crane is maneuvering. It is standing tall. We should stand tall like the crane. We should not have fear when problems come. The tigers now, one tiger is taking position. See the workers of the zoo. The crane is just watching, deciding as to what should be done. See, one tiger is attacking the crane. It is running away faster than the tigers. When you are challenged with the problem, you should be faster than the problem to take over the problem, to overtake the problem. You should have the tenacity to face. You should not buckle, but you should be watchful. Every step you take should be measured and taken. But the fear should not be there. Once fear creeps in, you are down and out. See, the tigers have gone inside. The crane has faced the situation in a very bold way. See, again, one tiger is going into the den. It is still looking for the crane to attack, but the crane has survived the three tigers. The other tiger also has gone inside. See, the crane is standing tall, still watching where the danger is gone. It is like the David who faced Goliath, but this David faced three Goliaths and survived. Now the zoo workers are coming inside to retrieve the crane. They have retrieved the crane. The crane is very happy. We should be like the crane. When the problems come, we should face it. We should not buckle. That's how you succeed. Thank you.